CSR आणि शासन हे दोन विकासाचे वेगवेगळे पैलू आहेत. बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी अशा आहेत की ज्या शासनामार्फत राबवल्या जातात, पण किंबहुना त्यांच्यामध्ये जर कांकणभर गोष्ट हातभार जर आम्हाला CSRच्या माध्यमातून मिळाला तर निश्चितच नंदुरबारसारख्या दुर्गम आदिवासी भागात विकासाला खूप चालना मिळेल.
Nandurbar district lies in the northwest corner of Maharashtra state. The population of Nandurbar is predominantly tribal, consisting of 64% of scheduled tribes. It is among the 4 districts in Maharashtra which have been chosen as a part of government's Transformation of Aspirational Districts program under Niti Aayog. Nationwide, Nandurbar is among the districts ranked at the bottom in terms of development indices such as health and nutrition, education, agriculture and water resources, financial inclusion and skill development, and basic infrastructure. As it is a semi-arid region, the low rainfall and declining vegetation cover have led to drought conditions in Nandurbar over the last 7 to 8 years.
Water is a fundamental need of communities. Without water, none of the other programs are going to have success. If we want to do education, there has to be water, we have to have the children, and only then will the education program run. But if we don't have water, we will see whole-scale migration. Then how will the education programs run in that district?
A transformation process has been catalyzed by the National Stock Exchange Foundation through its NGO partners, Center for Environment Education and others to support the local community in improving access to water and its sustainable management with the local government institutions. A multi-stakeholder and convergence approach has been adopted for initiatives such as desilting water bodies to improve their water holding capacity, setting up drinking water supply systems, and improving water and sanitation in schools. The first priority of NSE Foundation was to resolve the water-related problems in the district. They collaborated with the district administration under the Gar Mukta Dharan, Gar Yukta Shivar scheme and contributed towards the desilting of existing dams with the assistance from their implementation partner NGOs and local residents. The silt obtained from dredging was offered to the local farmers. The project succeeded in achieving not only the primary goal of increasing the carrying capacity of reservoirs, but in addition to it, the fertility of the farmers' crop fields also increased manifold.
यावर्षी ज्या जागेवर माझं खराब क्षेत्र होतं त्याच्यात मी गाळ टाकलेला आहे, पण या गाळ टाकल्यामुळे त्याची पोत वाढली आता
आणि त्याच्यात जवळजवळ 1.5 पटीने उत्पन्न वाढले.
कमीत कमी आता 2 ते 3 वर्षे आम्हाला खत टाकायची जरूर येणारच नाही.
काजू टाकलं म्हणजे गोड टाकलं त्यानंतर भात वादरपाची म्हणजे वाढ कमी होती पहिले. आता माती टाकलं ना वाढ झाली.
ते 5 क्विंटल आला असेल तिथे 9 क्विंटल 8 क्विंटल आला असेल जिथे गाळ टाकला तिथे.
त्याच्यानंतर मग ते काढून मग परत आम्ही हरभरा टाकलाय. हरभरा एकदम व्यवस्थित आहे.
Nearly 30 dams have been desilted in Nandurbar under the Gar Mukta Dharan, Gar Yukta Shivar Yojana, coordinated by CEE with financial support from NSC Foundation. The multi-stakeholder and convergence approach has also been used for the provision of potable water to several villages. In Gardani cluster, NSE Foundation partnered with Primove to implement the Swajal Yojana of the Government of India to set up water supply points in the village.
स्वजल योजनेअंतर्गत नवीन हातपंप, सौर पॅनल, त्याच्यानंतर एक 5000 लिटरची साठवण टाकी आणि 200 मीटर अंतर्गत पाईपलाईन या गोष्टींचा अंतर्भूत असून 2 नळकोंडाळे आपण वाडी वस्तीमध्ये दिलेले आहेत, जेणेकरून सर्व घरे कवर होतील. पण अंगणवाडी शाळेला आपण एक नळकोंडाळा दिलेला आहे.
लागला आम्हाला दूर पायला जा पडे येताना जावं लागे, पाणी शुद्ध नाही आता पोहे के आजारी बी वेळेवर पडणार आहे.
आम्ही योजना सुरू कोई हम है तो आम्ही वेळ वाची का तो वेळ आम्हा शेतीम दहावे.
We've seen as a forerunner of the JJM that we've had what is called the Swajal, which was specific to water supply in tribal habitations. Then comes the JJM, which is the Jal Jeevan Mission, with a focus on piped water supply to rural habitations. And now this SBM 2.0 version, which talks about Swachh Gaon and Sujal. Now all these flagship programs that I mentioned do have opportunities for collaboration with CSR. UNICEF, I believe, has played a critical role in convening these partnerships between the CSR and the government by working as a knowledge partner.
In Bhadwad and Nimbhel clusters, efforts to create water supply systems from Tapi River for the village clusters were stalled due to inadequate funds for a water pipeline to be laid under a railway track. With NSC Foundation support, CEE was able to facilitate the convergence of additional funds from the local area development funds of the Honorable Member of the Legislative Assembly, grants from the central government and the state government.
ते क्रॉसिंग झाल्यानंतर एवढ्या दुष्काळात इतक्या भयानक परिस्थितीत प्यायला पाणी मिळालं, गुरांना प्यायला पानी मिळालं.
अगर यदि एक आदमी को जो पानी के बगैर तरस रहा है उसको अगर यदि 2 घंटा पहले भी पानी मिल जाता है तो सोचो वो कितना बड़ा होता है, काम होता है.
Over 9,000 people have benefited with regular access to water, saving time and money.
पाणी जे अगोदर आमच्या भादवड गावातल्या या विहिरीत पडतं आणि तिथून आम्ही 3 गावांना परत डिस्ट्रीब्युशन करतो. एक न्याली, कारली आणि बलदाणी.
Water management committees have been formed in the villages for operation and maintenance of the water supply system. Primove, CYDA, Finish, partner organizations of the NSC Foundation have been instrumental in promoting personal hygiene and sanitation. The residents are encouraged to construct toilets. They are educated about the harm they expose themselves to due to open defecation.
महिलांच्या म्हणजे बचत गटांच्या महिला सभा घेतल्या, तसेच शाळांमध्ये अंगणवाडीमध्ये बालसभा घेतल्या. त्यांना वैयक्तिक स्वच्छता आणि परिसर स्वच्छता यांचं महत्त्व पटवून दिलं.
मीटिंग आम्ही ठरवले, दोघं टीम बनाई द्या आणि जी बारे रस्ताले संडासाल जाते वरी ते निगरानी समिती की आम्हाने 5-6 लोकांनी मी दे आम्हा सिट्या लिहिन, बॅटऱ्या लिहिन.
अशी एकूण सलग 40 दिवस आम्ही गावात निगराणी केली.
शेवटी आम्हाला यश मिळो का आम्हा गावाले म्हणजे एक बी बारे नाही जा लागे, आम्हा एकच बोहायला लागे.
त्याचबरोबर या ठिकाणी आपण BCC ॲक्टिव्हिटीज काही राबवलेल्या आहेत. या BCC ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये अंगणवाडी असेल किंवा शाळा असेल या ठिकाणी आपण स्वच्छतेचे काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज उपक्रम राबवलेले आहेत. हात कसे धुवावे, स्वच्छता साहित्य किट ज्याला म्हणू, त्याच्यामध्ये आरसा असेल, कंगवा असेल, 2 नेल कटर असतील, हे आपण अंगणवाडी आणि शाळेला पुरवलेलं आहे.
If I were to take one example of what WASH in schools would mean, it would mean that you need to design facilities which are child friendly. There could be children who are the first time users of such facilities. It is therefore important that these facilities are functional and intuitive and easy to use for a first time beginner. And in this role, I foresee as we go forward that parents of the children, the teachers and the staff also continue to play a pivotal role in ensuring that these facilities are functional and usable.
Fun activities are designed to involve the local school children in the campaign so as to inculcate healthy habits among them.
Jai Swachhata! Jai Swachhata! Jai Swachhata! Jai Swachhata! Jai Swachhata!
We had taken a very conscious decision that we will go to those places which are really far off, which are really untouched, and which is the last mile for any developmental activity. As an organization, we don't have a factory around which we need to work. So we're not limited by geography. We can go to where the need is. So I think that is one of the most fulfilling aspects of the NSE Foundation programs. We touch the untouched and reach the unreached, so to speak. And that is very fulfilling.
These multi-stakeholder approaches, catalyzed by the corporate social responsibility efforts of NSE Foundation and implemented by partners like Center for Environment Education, are helping improve access to water, improved sanitation and sustainable water management in Nandurbar.